Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between supply and stock. Basically, supply is anything which is produced and sent to the market for sale at a specific price is called supply. And a stock is that everything which is made but not sent to the market for sale and no price is decided yet is called stock. For example, if a producer produced total of 100 units, total production is 100 units, and out of those 100 units, he or she has sent, for example, let's say 60 units to the market for sale, 60 units for sale at rupees 90. So these 60 units are called supply, and the remaining 40 units are called stock, because these 40 units are not available in the market for sale and no price is decided yet for these 40 units. So these 60 units are called supply and these 40 units are called stock. So basically, the producer kept those quantities with their warehouses in their godowns are called stock, and everything which is available in the market at shops for sale and at a certain price are called supply. So this is the major difference between supply and stock. Everything which is available in the market for sale, whenever you visit at the shop, first of all you ask from the shopkeeper that what is its price. So it's mean that price is already decided for that product. So if any product which is available in the market, available in the shop for sale with a specific price is called supply, and stock is that commodity or that number of units which are being produced by the producer but they are not available in the market for sale. You cannot buy that product because they are still remain in the warehouses. So anything which is not available in the market but that is produced is called stock, and anything which is produced and available in the market for sale at a certain price is called supply.